here we are, and the date today is
This is some gas.
there we go. That's the date right there. That's the date. Okay, it's the 25th of October, and this is the piece number 1. The piece number 1 is approximately 2,500 kilos. All right, this is the piece number 1. There we go. This is it. Okay. And from there we're going to piece number 2. Piece number 2, approximately 1,200 kilos. 1,000 right here. Piece number 2. Piece number 3. This is like approximately 400 kilos. Piece number 3. Piece number 4. Approximately 525 kilos. Piece number. Hermano. 6. 450 kilos. Okay. 6. 5 and 6. This is 6. This is approximately 850 kilos.
I'll leave a link in the
850 kilos.
video.
This one.
The couple one.
Okay. And from there we're going
So like and share. Nice guys.
7.
Keep it real, guys.
This is